How to turn on Instagram autoplay. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the home page from where you'll be able to explore to various posts or the videos. So as a further process, you have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner and you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. Simply go through your settings and privacy. So here are no any settings for turning on the autoplay directly, but you can use the one trick. So you have to scroll up a little bit and you'll be able to see data usage in video quality. Simply tap over there. So the trick is you need to turn off this data saver. By doing that, whenever you try to look any kind of video, then it will be loaded automatically because Instagram won't focus on saving your data, so it will be loaded in advance and play automatically. So by this trick, you will be able to turn on Instagram autoplay. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.